another vlog. So we have just arrived at St.George's Market and we are starting our Belfast food tour with the company Taste&Tour. It's a 4-hour food tour around Belfast, stopping at some of the city's best food and drink spots, including some pubs, cafes, restaurants and some traditional shops as well. So come along with me. I'm afraid you won't be able to try some of the food, which I'm very disappointed for you, but hopefully I'll be able to show you a little bit more about traditional Irish food here in Belfast.
Never fade away. Go out and find your way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Sky meets the ground and draws a line.
So we've just made the first 2 stops and we stopped at a place called Nomad Kitchen for a breakfast bat, and then we've just stopped off for some meze style crackers, hummus, dips, that kind of thing, at a place called Tom and Ollie.
But you'll go till night turns into day. Go out and lead the way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key.
So next stop of the day is at COCOUTURE, which apparently is one of the best places to get chocolate in Ireland.
Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week,
So I've not picked up the camera in a while because we've been to some incredible places and I got so caught up with trying all the food and the drinks that I forgot to vlog. So we have just been to a gorgeous chocolate shop. We also went to a pub, a market, and I can't even remember where else we've been now. We've been to so many places, so many cool places, and the food's just been incredible as well. So now we've just stopped off at Copi, and we're coming in here for a little bit of an aperitivo Italian style food.
be you, yeah, only you, only you.
We've just got back from our 4-hour food tour around Belfast with the wonderful guys at Taste&Tour. Our tour guide for the day was an amazing lady called Olivia who took us around some beautiful restaurants, cafes and small businesses in Belfast. We had such a lovely time and I hope you enjoyed the vlog.
Verdicts only last a day.